Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson number 10, Pretty as a Picture. Right on the first day of school, our new class teacher, Miss Nina, told us that the last period on every Friday would be a story time. We all decided immediately she must be the best teacher in the world. We hoped she knew enough stories for all the Fridays of the year. So Friday came and we got more and more excited till at last the bell rang for the last period. We reminded her right away about her promise. Yes, of course, she said happily. But as she looked around in the class, we could see her face changing. Oh dear, I was going to tell such a lovely story, but it looks as if that will have to wait. No, said everyone. That's not fair. Look at the classroom, Miss Nina said. How can we enjoy a story with all this rubbish all around the floor? So everyone went scurrying around, picking up papers and pencil stubs and putting them in waste paper basket. What a confusion there was. But Miss Nina was not satisfied. Scurrying means to move quickly with small or short steps. Confusion means it is inability to think as clearly or quickly as you normally do. The desk and benches are all crooked, she said. So up popped everyone once again, straightened out the row quickly and put them all in perfect order. That's much better, she said. The meaning of pop means to go rapidly and suddenly. But look at yourselves, ribbons undone, shirts hanging out, shoelaces open, belt askew, anything for the story, we thought, and as quickly as possible. We tidied ourselves up. We kept asking the kids around us to tell us if we were looking tidy enough. No mirrors in the classroom, you know. But this silly Shireen splat was all undone. Sonia had to do it all over again for her and tie her bow too. One last thing, Miss Nina said, you'll be in a hurry when the story is over. So how about putting away all your things into your bag right now? All the books, all the notebooks. Don't forget the compass box. Have you put away your pencil, your rubber, your ruler, the pack of colors, pencils? Good. Now your tiffin and your water bottle. There's a place for everything. So put everything in the right place. Well, we were all done except Rahul and Anwar. They couldn't find their diaries, and Sheila, who couldn't find the cap of her pen, and Bina, who had lost the cup from her water bottle, and everyone was making such a noise trying to help. I thought we would never finish and Miss Nina would be too angry to tell us her story. But at last it was all done, and Miss Nina finally smiled broadly. Now that's my favorite class. All spick and span and as clean as a whistle. But it is their time for a story. Oh, yes, there is just a short little one. The meaning of spick and span is a place that is spick and span is very clean and tidy. Clean as a whistle means if you describe something as clean as a whistle, you mean that it is completely clean. Short or long, Miss Nina told us a really funny story about a king and his clown. Only it ended too soon, and we were still laughing when the bell rang. So we just thanked Miss Nina and left. By the way, Miss Nina's idea of packing the bag early was really good. My mother said she didn't ever found my bag so neat before, and I hadn't left anything behind in school either. Now, on Monday, when the week began, our class monitor said he had a good idea and he wanted us to listen. He said that we must practice straightening up the classroom and ourselves quickly, just within 5 minutes. That's way we would have time for long stories on Fridays. So we drew up a 5 minutes drill. Drill means an activity that practices a particular skill. Here it is. First minute. Start from the last kid in every line, collect and pass on all paper and rubbish to the kid in front. They go and put it in the waste paper basket. Second minute. Come out of your place and straighten your desk. Look at the lines on the floor to help you keep it just right. Kids on the ends tell you if your desk is out of line. Third minute. Tie shoelaces and ribbons. Tuck in blouses and shirts, straighten dresses and belts. Face your partners to make sure that everything is all right. Fourth minute, pack your bags. Check all books, notebooks, compass boxes, color pencils, tiffins, water bottles. Have I written my homework? Have I forgotten anything? Fifth minute. Sit down quietly and try to guess the story Miss Nina's going to tell. Nina, the other monitor, suggested that we do this without saying a single word. Good idea. That saves us all the confusion. Miss Nina was so pleased with the 5 minutes drill. Confusion means it is an inability to think as clearly or quickly as you normally do. She said she would also help. She said she would keep looking at her watch and tell us after every minute to hurry up. We practiced starting on Monday itself. It was crazy at first. There were kids giggling and making funny faces, and we all felt awkward. Awkward means hard to do or deal with, but we had to do it for the sake of that story. And do you know what Miss Nina said at the end of the 5 minutes drill? She said, our class looked as pretty as a picture. We got a full 25-minute story this Friday. So children, here pretty as a picture means very attractive and pleasant to look at. That is, the students cleaned their classroom, kept themselves tidy, and the teacher then called this the whole scene as pretty as a picture. Thank you.